Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate dipped peanut butter cookies. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a small bowl, add in the flour, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined. And set it aside for now. Then in the bowl of a stand mixer, add in the softened butter, sugar, and brown sugar, and beat them on high speed for 5 minutes. Then add in the peanut butter. I'm using crunchy peanut butter, but you can use smooth if you prefer. And beat it on high speed for about a minute. Then add in the eggs and the vanilla extract, and beat them on high speed for a few minutes. Then add in the dry ingredients and mix them on low speeds just until combined. And then finish it by hands to make sure all the ingredients are mixing in. Scoop the cookie dough out onto a baking tray, spacing them out at least an inch. Then use a fork to make an indent on the top one way. And then do it again the other way. And bake them in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes or until they turn a light golden brown color. Once done, let them cool for about 10 minutes. And then transfer to a cooling rack and let them cool completely. Then in a medium bowl, add in the chocolate chips and melt them either in the microwave or over a double boiler. Then pour the chocolate into a smaller bowl. Line a baking sheet with plastic wrap. Dip each cookie into the melted chocolate and place onto the baking sheet. And continue doing that for the rest of the cookies. Or if you want chocolate in every bite, then you can spread the chocolate on top of the cookies. And then place the tray into the fridge for at least 20 minutes to set the chocolate. And that's how to make chocolate dipped peanut butter cookies. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.